Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lovable Tiffany here with another video for you guys. Okay, so today this video is sponsored by a Amazon seller. They sent me this hair and wanted me to do a review on it for them. And it's called Bileaf. I believe that's what it says. Bileaf. It says best quality tangle free spring twist. And they asked me what color that I want them to send out, and I got the T1B 350. That's the color that I have, and so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Well, it came in this package, of course, Bileaf package, and then pull it out, and they sent me 3 packs total, and so of course they gave me some hair jewelry. Let me just show y'all what else they gave me. And they gave me 2 clips, little purple cute clips. And they gave me a crochet needle, which I always get. And then this is their card, and it just shows the instructions and how to install the spring twist hair and everything. So what I wanted to show y'all, here's how the pack looks. And I'm sorry, my lighting is, let's see, kind of bright, y'all. My lighting is kind of bright because I'm in the salon. And so, yeah, you can't really see the 350, but I have some that's out, and I'm just going to show you really quick how so it looks like this, and then the ends have the, hold on. The ends have the color on it. Maybe if there, you can see the 350 kind of right there. See that? Let me zoom. So 350 throughout the hair too, but it's really hard to, let me see. You really can't see it now because, oh, maybe, okay, well, there you go. This is the 350. And like I said, it has 350 throughout the hair too. So it's like little streaks of it. And so, like I said, they sent me 3 packs. And so what I'm doing now, and I have this ghetto contraption going on, y'all. Don't laugh at me. But I'm showing you how to do the twist. And so I just have a cord like wrapped up to it right now. And so this is the wrong way to twist the hair. That's not right. No, that doesn't look like spring twist to me. The spring twist is supposed to be bouncy. You know, this is kind of like really straight and ew, it's just not cute. This is the right way to do it. And this right here is the same size as this, but because you pull on it and you if you pull on it like while you're trying to twist, it's going to make everything all skinny and everything. But I like this size. I want it to be this size when I install them in my hair. And you can tell how much better this twist looks versus these twists. That just doesn't look right. So I'm going to show y'all how I do it. So yeah, just keep watching, guys. Okay, so first, what I'm gonna do, I'm sorry y'all can't see me. I'm trying to zoom in. Don't laugh at my ghetto contraption. But what I do is I take 1 strand of the hair and I fluff it. So like I try to pull it apart. This hair is very soft, so it's easy to do that without the tangles. And see how fluffy that is? I make it like that. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. So it looks like that, guys. Okay. And what I'm going to show you is how to do this one. But yeah, I can also show you how doing it this way is wrong, so you'll know when you try to do it. So what I do is I take it and I put it up there, and I make sure both of the ends are even. And don't pull it, because if you pull it, I'm sorry, hopefully I can. Okay, if you pull it and twist it, it's gonna make it skinny like this. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. You know how you normally twist hair. So if you pull it, you're like, oh, okay, like you twisting it like this, and you twisting it like that, like that. That's how I do my twist. Like when I'm using Marley hair, I do my twist like that because the twist gets so neat. And I like to use mojito twist or Cuban twist hair when I do my Marley twist on my clients. So yeah, but you see how it's really neat. It's really a really neat twist. Okay, so now you don't want to do it like that because that's how it's going to make it skinny. See that? This is the same amount of hair, but it's just because I'm twisting it and overlapping it, twist and overlapping it, it's making it skinny like that. So no, you don't want to do that. So I'm going to unravel it. You're going to take it again, and you're going to very lightly, gently. Don't twist. Don't twist this end. Let me try it again because I probably didn't see. Don't twist this part and then overlap it. Don't do that. Leave it and just go over it very gently. Just go. Don't twist nothing. Okay, so this is how they're supposed to look. Chunky like this. I like the chunkiness. This is wrong, Shamaya. So don't do this. You get this by pulling the hair while you're twisting it like a regular twist. Oh no, if for spring twist you want it to be kind of bouncy and fluffy, and I really like these. So this is a no-no. This is good. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna unravel and these are the same size hair, the same amount of hair. It's just that once you pull this one, of course, it's gonna make it look thinner, like you use less hair. So I'm just gonna take it a loose. So after you do that, I'm gonna show you, just like this. You just take it very gently. You don't twist. You just wrap it around. That's it. Don't twist.
That's it. I know it's kind of hard to see because I'm trying to do it. You leave it very fluffy. And see how right now you kind of get into the same size as that. Yeah, versus this one, it looks totally different. So you just keep doing that.
No. This, yes, perfect. This is how you want the spring twist to look. So this is how they turn out, guys. Very springy. Very springy and stuff. I really like them. Okay, y'all. So I'm back, and I've only did my eyes and my brows. So that's why I look like that. But okay, so I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bit off too, y'all. But yeah, like I said, I don't have on any foundation yet. I will do that probably after I'm done. But I did want to show y'all. Oh, and of course I've got my braid pattern down or whatever for the crochet. For the ooh, that face is ugly I just made. But for the hair that y'all saw me twisting, the spring twist when I was at the salon. So yeah, and I think I still have a few pieces left, like maybe 4 or 5 strands left from the 3rd pack. Okay, the ones that I finished, I did put in the in packs. So yeah, this is how they all turned out, and I love that they don't look, they're all not neatly looking, like as far as so blunt, like really straight, or I like that they're like this, like messy. Like I don't want them to be so perfect, like, but these are the loops and everything at the top. And you can see the color better now versus when I was at the shop. I know my lighting is so different when I'm at home and then when I'm at the shop. And so you can see the 350 at the bottom, right? 2 bundles that I just put a rubber band around them so that, you know, I can keep them in place. Yeah, I don't know. But, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use all of them. But I really, really like it. This should be my thumbnail. That'll be crazy. But yeah, so I might put that like side by side, like, and then have the other side with my hair done. I don't know, y'all. We gonna see. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start speeding it on up. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, y'all, so I ran out and I have 10 strands left. I'm just gonna show y'all again how I do them. So what I do is I take the strand and I pull. Excuse my nails, y'all, they was getting on my nerves. So they were breaking. When they started lifting, I don't even be trying to glue them back down. I take it off because it's gonna irritate me. So yeah, but I pull it like that to make it fluffy. So yeah, I can. And I'm thinking, because I don't have the pole that I was using, because I'm using it for my backdrop, I'm gonna probably try to do it in my hair. Let's see, because I've never done it by crocheting it in, but I'm gonna try. I normally loop it on something. Okay, so I'm gonna take it and pull it through just like a regular crochet. And I'm gonna pull it like that. Now, I'm not gonna pull. You don't pull. You just twist.
Kick. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
I think they came out so pretty. I love them. I should switch my earrings. It's full. Y'all know I don't like no fullness, but it'll have to do for now. Yes, but look at this, y'all. It's so cute. It's so cute. Like, look at And so, yes, so the company that sent me this hair, Bileaf. Come on, y'all can keep working with me. Come on. Send me some more. Y'all can send me some more. But anyway, thank you so much for sending me this hair. Oh my gosh, the hair is so soft. It's so easy to unravel. It's so easy to twist. It feels lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on my head, which is crazy because it's full right now. But yes, thank you so much. It looks exactly like I thought it was gonna look. This is exactly how I thought it was gonna look. With the colors on the end and everything, I really, really like it. I really like it. So yes, that is it for my video, y'all. Like I said, this video is long. Tell me what y'all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Share my videos, whatever you want to do. Like, help your girl grow. Companies that are watching, and I know y'all always see most of my videos, most of my crochet videos have a lot of views, but I do not mind doing wigs. I started out doing wig reviews, and somehow my crochet videos escalated and they just got some really big numbers. But hey, y'all can send me some wigs. I like wigs. Those are a lot easier to me than crochet. Very, very easy. So yes, y'all. Like I said, thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye. So, I added some bottom lashes, y'all. But I only did one on each eye. It look okay. I told you I was going to add the bottom lashes, so I did. I, put mascara on my own, and then I added. So, yeah. I just wanted y'all to see that. And I'm out again.